Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Finishing Touch Flawless Legs. This is the leg hair remover for women. This is instant and painless hair remover. Alright, so today we got our Finishing Touch Flawless Legs. This one has a double ring head by 4, so you get 4 heads. It does have 2 LED lights. It's got an 18 karat gold plated. It is rechargeable, so it's safe on skin, all skin types. It's superior control, no nicks, cuts, or irritation. It is dermatologist approved. I've used this one and it is super nice. It gets right in there to get all your hair. It's got an ergonomic handle design, LED lights, 4 floating heads, 18 karat gold plated. So let's go into the box and see what we have. This is designed to fit within the grip of your palm while it generously head flows and contours to your skin. So right here is the plug and the Type-C. You do get a nice little carrying bag. Inside this you do get the USB to charging cable. So here's what goes into the bottom of the machine, and then this is the USB to the plug. And then you do get a nice little carry case, so you can take it with you anywhere you want. It is perfectly formed to fit your natural curves for soft, smooth skin, professional quality product. Here is a cleaning brush to clean out the heads. You can use this at home or on the go. It has got the smart innovation for healthy skin. All you need is to feel flawless at the moment. So this right here is telling you how to clean it. You've got steps right here. So there's step 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you got more on the other side. So this can be used on the legs to remove the hair. It has got a maximum comfort and control. It's an electric razor for women and instantly removes your hair from the legs, ankles, knees, anywhere on your body. So now this includes the actual clipper. You get the charging cable and the block. You get the carrying case, cleaning brush. And then this is how to get started and how to use. So this is an hypoallergenic leg hair trimmer. It is very gentle on all skin types and is often used by simply turning on the electric trimmer. You can get around your knees, your ankles, your toes, your hands, under your armpits, and your bikini area with not having to worry about getting any nicks or cuts. So we'll just pop this plastic thing off right here. It does come with a cover on the top. Right here is the Flawless logo. You got the power button. And then you have a cover right here on the bottom to cover the razor itself. This is where you'll plug it in to charge. You have a light right here. So once you turn it on, that light will turn on. Just pop off this case. You can see how it's like floating. Right, just push it on. You can see the light comes on. You actually have one at the top as well as the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide across, and then I'm going to get to my leg, and then I'll turn that on so you can see just it's not super loud at all. As you can see, it's not loud at all. I did wait a few days to not shave my legs just to make sure that I can show you that it gets all those little stubborn little hairs all around your legs. You can pop the top off right here to pull out the hair, so you have a light on the top and the bottom. It does have a very nice grip on the side, so you don't got to worry about it slipping and sliding out of your hand. I would say if you're looking for a nice electric razor, I would highly recommend checking out this Flawless one. It is super safe, and you can even get into the bikini area without even getting any nicks or scrapes. So if you're looking for a nice electric razor, I would highly recommend checking out the Flawless legs.